Hello dear students, welcome back to computer class. Dear students, you have already learned about adding a new sprite, changing the costume of the sprite and changing the stage background. Today we are going to learn about using sensing block commands. So let's start. Dear students, sensing block are one of the 8 categories of scratch block. They are color coded light blue and are used to detect things. It means sensing block are the blocks that detect things. There are 20 sensing block in Scratch 2.0, for example touching, key pressed, etc. The touching sensing block let you check whether the sprite is touching the edge of the stage or any other sprite. You can use this block inside the if control block to check and take decision. Similarly, key pressed sensing block can be used with the if block to take decision according to the key pressed by the user. So let us discuss this sensing block with some example. So let us create a Scratch project. So select a background for stage. For example, I am taking this background. Now take a sprite. I am selecting this sprite. Okay. So set your sprite. Now click on event block. Drag and drop when click. Then click on control block and select forever block and drag and drop. In this forever block, now take motion block, do 10 steps. Then inside the forever block, once again click on the control block and take if. Then select motion block and take this, go to X and Y. X equal to minus 155 and Y equal to 89. And once you can click on control block and take wait for 0.5 seconds. Now use sensing block. Click on sensing block and use touching mouse pointer. You can use here edges. Now when you run this program, when you click on this green flag, and you can see that output. It will return when it touches the edge. You can see that this output. So students, you can try this practical at your home. You can perform this practical by using iPad or by using laptop, computer. So try this practical.